kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make cinnamon waffles. These are absolutely phenomenal. The flavor of cinnamon is perfect, especially at this time of year. And of course, we're going to put some maple syrup on top, so the flavors of fall are phenomenal. We're going to use some all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, cinnamon, salt, butter, baking powder, vanilla, light brown sugar, and eggs. And if you've noticed, a lot of my ingredients come from Trader Joe's. That's because they have a store right near the school, and I love to go there and get stuff. However, they don't sponsor me. So anyhow, please let me get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make these.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
We're going to mix together 3 tablespoons of white sugar along with 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Mix them together first so that way you get rid of all those clumps in the brown sugar, even if you have to use your fingers to smush it together. In a small mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of flour, and to that we're going to add the sugars and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of salt, and 4½ teaspoons of baking powder. Stir together the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 1½ cups of warm milk. I warmed it up in a microwave for 1 minute. And to that, we're going to add 2 eggs. Break up the eggs and whisk it all together. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and ½ a cup of melted butter. Whisk together the liquid ingredients, and now we're going to slowly incorporate the dry ingredients. Start off with a whisk, and then we're going to switch to a spatula. When using the spatula to incorporate the dry ingredients, you want to fold it in. So you start at 12 o'clock on the bowl, go down to 6, and flip it over. If you notice your batter looks lumpy, switch back to the whisk and give it a good stir.
I have my waffle maker at 3½. I like it that way. And I'm going to spray it liberally with non-stick cooking spray. And you want to get the bottom and the top. And then we're just going to pour this in to the middle. Now, not too much. This makes a thin waffle, and if you do too much, it might spill out over the edges. So that's about enough. We're going to press this down, and we're going to wait for the light to turn green. There we go. The green light is on. Let's check. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice golden brown color. Almost exactly to the edge. And then just take this off. Voila. Oh, it smells wonderful. All right, I'm going to close this until I'm ready to put the next one. Here's our amazing cinnamon waffles. They look absolutely wonderful. You can serve it with either maple syrup or maybe some whipped cream. I'm sure my students are going to love whipped cream on it. So let me get this one smothered in whipped cream. All right, this is like the best part of life, is smothering anything in whipped cream. Whoa, my daughter would love that. So let's cut in and take a big bite. There we go. That's more my style. Maple syrup, cinnamon waffle. Look at that. So beautiful. It smells fantastic as well. So I'm going to take a big bite. But let me know in the comments, how do you prefer your waffles? Would you rather have whipped cream or maple syrup or both? That is so good. Just absolutely love it.
This is so easy. It is such a better alternative to frozen waffles, so please make some. And let me know in the comments, how do you like yours, with whipped cream or maple syrup?
Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of the videos on our YouTube channel. And of course, please click like and subscribe and come back for more.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.